Hey kids, it's me, Kit the Explorer, and Miles. You're watching Kit Explorers, and guess what? Today we're going to be making some gummies with this Gross Gummy Candy Lab. How exciting! So what do you say we dive in and take a look at this?
Gummy.
Sounds good to me too. Ooh, how fun. We have our gummy worm and gummy spider molds, directions here. Ooh, we even got some stickers. Let's see what's in this little goodie bag. Sour sugar mix, powdered seaweed, purple bear sugar, and green apple sugar. We need to read the directions. Can you say read?
Read.
Yeah, read. Can you try that at home? Read starts with the letter R, which makes this sound. R, R, read. Reading is really important because when we're making something just like this, we can read about how to do something that we don't know how to do yet. Let's check these instructions out. This is telling us to mix half of this with the water. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Now, it says to stir the mixture well. Whoa. And it says that the next part of this, it seems pretty fun. We're gonna put our flavor in. Whoa. Hey, everybody. Oh. Hey, Avocado, how are you doing? It's been a while since I've seen you.
I'm doing good. How are you doing? Hey kids, how you doing at home? It's me, Avocado.
Kids, Avocado came to say hi to us.
I'm just here to make sure you're eating healthy foods.
Oh, we'll make sure not to eat too many of these, Avocado. We know they'll make us sick, and we know that you're a better food to eat.
That's right.
But kids, guess what? Every once in a while, it's okay to have some treats, right?
I guess that's true.
So get out of here, Avocado, because we're making some treats.
Okay, adios.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Now, we're gonna pour this green gummy gloopy mixture into this little container that's gonna make it a little bit easier for us to pour into the mold. The mold is this right here. Do you see how these have recessions in them? A recession is an imprint, and this imprint is what's going to give us the shape of our gummy to make it look like worms or spiders. What do you think of that?
Gummy.
What should we pour first, a worm or a spider? A worm. Okay, time to pour a worm. Ooh, look at that.
Oh.
This is hardening into a gummy really fast, so we're trying to pour it before it dries out. Some of our spiders, I think, are not gonna have legs. Now, we're gonna put this in the fridge for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna taste it. All right, kids, we got our gummies out of the fridge, and it's time to put the sweet, sour sugar on them. What do you think?
Gummy.
Here we have our baggie full of sugar, and we're gonna take our gummies out and see how they look. Ooh, here's one of the spiders. Should we taste it without the sugar? Let's see what this creepy crawly spider tastes like. What do you think?
Gummy.
Now, we're gonna take the rest of our spiders and worms and then drop them into this bag so that we can cover them in sugar. Here come our gummy worms. Whoa!
Oh. Yeah. I'll try.
Whoa, so creepy crawly. Miles just took a chomp of a worm. Here, you can finish that. Now that our gummies are covered in sour sugar, we are gonna put them into a little baggie and label them. Can you hold this baggie open? These are labels. What we're gonna do is write Miles' name on these so that he knows that they're his. M-I-L-E-S. That spells Miles. Here you go. Do you want to put the sticker on your bag? There you go. Put it on your bag. And nice job. Now Miles knows that this is his bag of gummies. That's really awesome, Miles. Good job. High five. Why don't we give him a try?
Okay.
That sounded delicious. Mmm, that's the tastiest spider I've ever eaten. Mmm. These are pretty good homemade gummies. They taste different than the kinds that you have at the store, but they're still pretty good. We're so glad that you guys joined us for this mini episode of Kit Explores, where we explored Gross Gummy Candies with the Gross Gummy Candy Lab from Geek and Co Science. You can check out this same kit on Amazon, and if you buy it through the link in the description in this video, it helps our channel and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. You want to try some of this? This turned out pretty good, huh? It's like a, you want to try it?